about to leave. Already packing.
Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and in today's video we are going to be doing a main level clean with me. I'm just going to show you guys around here before we start, and as you can see, my kitchen is really just a disaster. We had been outside for like the majority of the day, just playing outside, and then when we came in to eat and everything else, it was just out of control. I have to empty out all these Dollar Tree bags, really just put a lot of items away, and do a bunch of dishes. There's just a bunch of things out that shouldn't be out, and I'll be doing like hand washing some dishes as well as unloading the dishwasher. I was doing a little project and made a huge mess on the floor, as you can see here with this moss. I was putting some new moss on this little fairy garden. That's what we were doing outside. I was working on a garden, the boys were playing and helping me in the dirt. And I also got this new plant stand, just showing you guys real quick. I was kind of complaining about my plants everywhere, so that's good. But then also just the living room is a complete disaster too. I have 2 bins of laundry right there that need to be put away, taken upstairs and put away. They're actually clean and folded. Dirty laundry everywhere. So it's clean.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
So now that it's summer out, me and my boys are just spending a lot of time outside, which kind of means I'm just not cleaning as much or as often as I normally would, just because I'm not inside the house. And a lot of the times, like, I would kind of clean based on where we were playing. So if they wanted to go upstairs and play in the playroom, I'd like clean some of that, or clean their bathroom, or do whatever item I could try and squeeze in upstairs. Or if we're playing downstairs, again, whatever cleaning thing I could squeeze in while we're playing is what I would do. But when we're outside, I feel like, my house maybe gets a little crazier, a little faster, because we're just not in here. So I really just need to work on like putting things away right away and that type of thing. But I definitely am going to be working on it all summer. Okay, so we are going to move on to just doing some dishes now. I'm just going to get this dishwasher unloaded quickly, and then reloaded with some items, and then I'll move on to some hand washing of a couple things, and then get the sink all nice and cleaned out. And then we'll just go ahead and move on over to the living room. This living room is honestly like not too crazy. I just had the boys help me pick up a lot of their toys and take them up to their toy room, and I just needed to get like the cushions and pillows and things like that back on the couch. I'm going to vacuum. I'm not going to sweep anything yet, just because I'm going to be mopping here in just a little bit, but I know we're going to be eating dinner and things before I mop, so I'm not going to sweep yet because I know if I sweep now, I'll have to sweep again anyways right before I mop. So yeah, I'll just do some vacuuming and then do a little bit of cleaning, move on into the hallway and get the hallway nice and clean and the entryway nice and clean before moving on. So school is over, you know, obviously it's summer, and my boys' backpacks are just still sitting here, and I need to go through everything. Like, there's no food or anything like that. I already got their little snack bags out, but just tons of their, like, projects that they sent home, and, like, just end of the year paperwork. I had gone through and kind of looked through, and then at that time put everything back because I wasn't ready to go through them yet. And now these backpacks have kind of just sat here and I still haven't gone through them yet. So like here in a day, I think I'm gonna have to finally like empty out their backpacks, put them away, so that way their backpacks aren't sitting here the entire summer. continue sweeping here in the kitchen, and I'm just going to get all these chairs moved away. I tried to move the trash can, and then I realized it was completely full, and so I needed to empty out my recycling and my trash before I can move my trash can, and then we'll just finish sweeping and then start the mopping. So I completely love this little plant stand. It is on rollers, so I can move it to clean behind it and all that good stuff, which is perfect. And now I actually have a place to put all my little plants, even though I do have some that are sitting on the counter. I had just gotten those from Walmart, so they're in quarantine just to make sure that, you know, they have no issues before they join everyone else. But I think I might have a little bit of a plant problem. Like, I think I totally developed a little bit of a plant obsession here. But I think I don't know, it adds a little bit of greenery to my house, and I think that's okay. So I think my obsession might be okay, but I'm not, I don't know. Your girl might have a little bit of a plant problem. So just gonna finish cleaning or mopping up the rest of the house here. I do use the O-Cedar mop and Method hardwood floor cleaner. It has an almond scent to it and it smells really nice. It doesn't leave any type of film or streakiness, and so it's wonderful. And so we'll just finish mopping up this area, finish all up in the hallway and the living room area, and we'll be done.
I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control. But now I'm gone, bye-bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. That's all that I get from you. You're so delusional, now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone.
Okay, so we're all finished. I'm just gonna let you take a quick peek here at the finished product, and everything is nice and dusted and cleaned off. The floors are nice and dry now and clean. I put everything back, all the chairs and everything. And the house is just so much better. You know, when my house is just out of control, I walk into the room and I just feel like full out of sorts, like can't think clearly. But when it's all nice and clean, it's like, oh, like I can breathe and everything's just nice. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and cleaning with me. If you enjoyed it, please consider watching another one. And I will see all of you guys very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Take control.